Hey, what up people? It's vdoestech checking out KOVOL's 120 watt 4-port fast charger. Now shout out to KOVOL for sending this out for a review. You can find this on Amazon if you're interested. The links will be down in the description. So this is KOVOL's 120 watt charger. Now in the box, you get a thank you card, which is always nice to see. You do get a user guide. You get the power cable itself. The power cable has plenty length to it, and I do like how you have a little bit of cable cord management control, you know what I mean. And then you get the charger itself. Now this charger is pretty heavy. It has really good build quality. I really like that. It is a fingerprint magnet, so if you have OCD or something like that, this video is going to be bugging you. But you do have a glossy finish on the outside of it. You have a little bit of company branding. On the back is where you will plug up. And on the front, you have the KOVOL branding right there. You have two PD chargers. Now these ports are capable of charging 100 watts, not 100 watts each. So if you plug two devices up, both of those devices won't be charging at 100 watts. If you're charging one device, it can charge up to 100 watts. But if you have two devices, it will divide the 100 watts of power between both of them. And then you have the two QC ports, and they can charge with up to 18 watts. So you have 4 ports on here. You should be able to charge a lot. And so you can charge everything from headphones to battery banks to controllers to tablets and even your Type-C computers. But I do not have a computer, but I do have plenty of other things to charge. So let's go ahead and get some things plugged up. We'll charge them up for about 15 minutes, have a little timer going. Maybe I'll go 30 minutes, not sure yet, see how charged up my devices are. But yeah, I'll charge them up for about 15 to 30 minutes. I'll be right back. And just like that, we are back. And so this is how it will look once everything is plugged up. The lights are on to indicate that there is power to the brick itself. And so I have two Type-C's over here, two USB-A's over here. We have a 30-minute timer right there. Let's plug some stuff up and see how long it takes to charge. So first up, let's go ahead and grab an iPad. This is an older 6th gen. Let's plug that up. As you can see, it is charging. So we'll put that to the side. There's one. Let's go ahead and grab some earbuds. Now I do believe that these are at around 30. All right, so the case is at 29%. So let's go ahead and plug that up. There's the earbuds. That is charging up. Up next, we will have a Pixel 6. We will check the battery life. The battery life is at 33%. Go ahead and plug that up now. You can see it is charging rapidly. So let's go ahead and charge that up. And then we will grab a Tab S7. The Tab S7 is currently at 39%. Let's grab my new favorite charger. This is a cable that tells you how much wattage is being put out. So let's go ahead and plug that in. It is saying super fast charging, 2.0, 39%, 56 minutes till full. And it is charging at 38, 37, 34. So we'll go ahead and put that down. And let's go ahead and start the timer. And we will be back in 30 minutes. And go. All right, and so we are back. It has been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and check out the first one. All right, so let's unplug the buds. All right, the bud's live. Let's open the case. It reads at 51% with the earbuds being at 100, so that charged up just fine. I don't remember percentages, so maybe I'll throw them somewhere up on the screen. But all right, so far so good. Let's check out the iPad next. Now the iPad was dead in 30 minutes. It hit 18%. Let's do it one more time so you can see. it hit 18%. 30 minutes, 18%. Not bad, especially with charging up 4 devices at the same time. Now, if you're really trying to get a charge on something, you're not going to be charging 4 devices at one time. But we're doing a quick test, so 18%, I can live with that. Now, next up, we have the Pixel 6. Now, the Pixel hit 73%. It wasn't completely dead, or I think it may have been at, I don't remember the percentages. Like I said, I'll have it up on the screen. But yeah, it finished at 73%. And the last one, we have the Tab S7. And so the Tab S7 hit 80%. You can see it is still super fast charging, 80%, 2.0 charge speed, 27 minutes till full, 81%. It's currently dropped down to 13%. This is a different cord. Once again, none of the cables come with this charging device, so you will have to buy your own. I don't think that's bad at all. It has super fast charging. It charged multiple devices all within 30 minutes. This is not a bad pickup. Once again, this is how it will look with all of the cables in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the 120 watt KOVOL charger. Not bad at all. It's vdoestech. I'll catch you on the next one. Later.